Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty and I'm mom of 3 beautiful girls. And today's video, guys, I want to deep clean my bedroom, and I also want to take the theme color that was in my living area to my bedroom, because right now we are using the Christmas decor. I want to check how black it occur in my bedroom, because I'm so in love with black nowadays. And I also want to unbox some few items that I bought from Kamkunji, and also I bought a very nice water dispenser that I'm going to show you at the end of this video. Yeah,
here we go.
I'm using this Astonish carpet cleaner to clean the stains in the mattress, because I don't have the mattress cover, and also use it to clean the headboard. To wipe the side bed table, Decor mirror and the frame over the headboard, I'm using Magnese glass cleaner.
Invincible.
Beddings that I'm going to use today are thrift, apart from the theme color that I'm going to pick from the living area. The rest are thrift.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go, nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my you love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be for 'cause you're in my
But some of the items here I didn't buy them from Kamkuji, but I'm going to tell you where I bought them. So I'm going to start with the first item that I got. I have these are sufurias, and I bought 4 of them. I wanted a sufuria that I can cook, a big sufuria that I can cook ugali with it, and also tea. So that is why I bought 4 of them. And I bought these sufurias at 1800, which sounds so expensive for me. Yeah, it sounds so expensive for me. Yeah, so I got 4 of them. Yeah, these ones. And also I have this. I bought this that and it has the handles. I bought this catre. I have this beautiful tray here, this one side, and it's kind of acrylic. This is not a glass, it's acrylic, but I think I'm not going to use it in the kitchen. I'm thinking of putting my sprays here and all that. So this, I bought this at 350. Yeah, I bought it at 350. And also I have this mat, very beautiful. I love them so much. As you can see, guys, how beautiful they are. And I got these at 250 each, and I got 6 pieces. See how beautiful, guys, they are. I love this one because they look like a wooden thing. They look like a wooden. So I'm going to decorate my dining with these ones. So yeah, and also I have my favorite one. So I'm going to remove this ones here so that I can show you what is my favorite. So I have this one. I don't know whether, guys, you can see. I'm going to turn the camera so that I can show you right now. Yeah, this is what I got, and this is a dispenser, and I got it from a shop in CBD around Odeon, and the shop name is called Oleasin. It's just next to Cooperative Bank. So if you know where the Cooperative Bank is, around the Odeon.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm not.
So this is the dispenser that I got. I got this one, and I wanted it in black, but I didn't find it in color black. So they had it in white. I thought of picking white, but I still thought, you know, naga because the white kind of they are fading. So I decided not to pick the white one, and I picked like a green one. So it's not a that shouting green, but a jago green. I got the jago green one, and this dispenser have been looking for it for a very long time. I have been looking for it for a very long time. This is how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks, but it comes with a kettle and a coffee maker, which I'm going to show you. So they come together with a kettle and also a coffee maker, which I'm going to show you right now. So here they are. So, and I still unbox with you that one. This is where you place your mtungi of water. So I think this is the top thing, which I'm going to show you right now, how you are going to connect it. So here it is. So this one is going to be like this, but yeah, this is the top thing. Let me show you the coffee maker. This is the coffee maker. You buy together with the dispenser. They come together, they come packed together. So this is where you press the coffee maker so you're making your coffee. And this is the kettle. This is the kettle here. Now you press the kettle here, which I'm going to show you right now. Let me connect it, then I'll show you. If I'll not be able to connect this one, I'm going to wait for my husband to come and do that, and I'll show you the end result of it. So guys, yeah, so I don't know whether I'm going to be able to connect, but if not, I'm going to wait for my husband to come and do that. So yeah, this is the top one. It's very, very beautiful, guys. very beautiful. So I think for this one I'll have to wait for my husband to come and do it, because yeah, let me wait for my husband. But it's kind of something like this, but yeah. And also I got this TV guard, but this is not the TV guard. I'm going to guard this one. So it's a premium one, it's called Premium. So yeah, and it has the remote, and it's touch. So it's not the manual one, it's the touch one. So yeah, it has this remote here, which also I'm going to show you how to work with it. So it has this remote, and this is the manual. So yeah, and the brand is Premium. It's Premium. So they didn't have it in black. I wanted it in black, but they have it in white. So but I think nikaona the white was low, because I had something in white na sai nifurahisha so much, so I couldn't pick white. I couldn't pick that white one, so I preferred this one. So yes, so I'm waiting for my husband to come and connect it so that I can show you the end result of it. Thank you so much guys for watching until this point. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and free to share my content. Bye, let's meet in the next one.